Hiccup! Oh my! Why did my tummy turn into a little jumping frog?
I didn't even want to talk. Why is my throat making noises on its own?
Help! Is there a little drum monster living in my throat? Activating respiratory muscle observation mode. Let's see who's making rub lips. Wow, so this giant trampoline called the Diaphragm is having a cramp. It's throwing a tantrum because it's stretched too tight and feels uncomfortable.
It cools down sharply, sucking in air like a tornado.
Look, everyone! Right here! The big door at the throat!
The door got scared and suddenly slammed shut with a bang. The hiccup sound is actually made by air crashing into the closed door. When the diaphragm cramps, the door shuts tight, turning into a weird hiccup.
Don't worry, Bobo knows how to calm the big trampoline. Follow me. Take a deep breath. Hold it. 1, 2, 3. Phew! Look! The trampoline is calm again. Warm water and deep breaths help it relax. Remember not to eat too fast or chug icy soda so your trampoline won't cramp. Little light troubles, Bobo has the answers. Bye-bye.